let's talk about increasing conversions, aka sales. The more visitors you get on a website, the more likely you are to sell. Here are a few tips on how to turn visitors into customers. Number 1, showcase actual photos of your arrangements. Stock photos or low quality images will turn customers away. We shop with our eyes. Number 2, make it easy for people to find exactly what they're looking for with filters and ways to narrow down their choices by budget, occasion, color, and flower type. Those perform the best. Number 3, make the checkout process as easy as possible. Avoid collecting unnecessary data and offer them the flexibility of payment options such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, Afterpay, and Klarna. Number 4, follow up with customers who abandon their shopping carts. People get distracted, and sometimes they decide to shop around before making a purchase. Send them an email or SMS reminding them to finish their purchase. And if you're too busy to do any of these, BloomNation offers automated email and SMS marketing services to help you bring back those distracted customers and help them pull the trigger. Go to joinbloomnation.com to learn more. And if you're a BloomNation partner, go to Bloom Plus in your new dashboard for more business and design tips. Thanks for watching. See you here again soon.